probably gonna be a windy one. Wind just now started to gust up. There he is. He managed to finally fall through the ice a little bit. I can tell by the... There's my finger. There's my finger. Mud hole. See that muddy spot in the water right there? See, it's all foggy, iced over, muddy. Fell through. Luckily, it's shallow. And the island, soon to be the garden. Wait till those videos start popping. We're gonna be doing some tree clearing. All this big trees in the back. Oh, focus. Big trees in the back are gone. And then I'm gonna cut them, limb them, trim them, and stack them. And they're gonna be the frame for the raised beds. Because it's all sand, so it'll be all raised bed garden. All on this 16th of an acre. I don't know how much it is, but it's not huge, but for a garden, it's definitely fair size. All right. That's good enough for me. Deuces, y'all.